welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Do your boy a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, today we bringing a new stock to the channel, Syndax Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol SNDX, which closed at $14.73 on August 14, 2025. This thing was up a little over 9.5% on the day. And the Discord community, everybody eats, which a link will be below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat, was made aware of this stock, I believe, 2 or 3 months ago. Don't hold me to it. On March 24th, 2025, as I said, a lot of recent insider activity on the buy side. However, I was not liking the current price action, watching for a retest of that 52-week low, and will begin DD or due diligence on this ticker. So again, link will be below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. Regardless if you're new to trading and investing or a seasoned trader or investor, we talk about hot stocks, penny stocks, long-term stocks, option plays, swing trading, you name it. We also alert you on some of the hottest stocks that's making moves in the pre-market or new IPOs, as you can see right here from ticker symbol MIAX, which dropped today. SNOA went crazy. XPON, DLPN didn't make the move we expected or wanted. IVP. This one also didn't make the move we expected or wanted. However, we did get in around the bottom earlier today and got maybe like 20 to 30% on this thing. But again, link is below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat if you would like to sit with us at the table where everybody eat, as well as a link for my Twitter or X where you guys can see what I'm looking at in the market, different levels I'm posting, etc. before I'm able to get these videos out to you guys on YouTube. So link is below. Follow your boy or hit that Discord link and join us at the table where everybody eats. But back to Syndax Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, which is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing a pipeline of cancer therapies, and its product candidates include Refuforge and Niktimvo. I don't know if I said that correctly, in which those two drugs in the pipeline is already FDA approved, and they continue to fuel their revenue growth. The first one, Refuforge, which generated $28.6 million in their last quarter, and Niktimvo brought in $36.2 million in that last quarter as of their recent earnings report, I believe on August 4th. This has this stock looking primed to continue to go to the upside, as I believe it has a short float around 28 to 30%, and price targets ranging from $18 to $45, with the latest price target I think been initiated after this last earnings release of $45 to $52. Now, thus far this year, ticker symbol SNDX is actually down 26%, but year to date, from January 1st up until now in 2025, this stock is up 10%. And as you see right here from the last month alone, Syndax Pharmaceuticals is up 48.79%. And of that 48%, 16% came within the last 5 trading days. And you can see on this chart right here, the daily chart, this thing has been trending up fairly well, as the prior close was $13.45, and now we closed at $14.74, bringing us to the daily chart. And as you see on this daily chart right here, we have the 9 moving average approaching or coming to touch and test that 200-day moving average, with price action holding fairly well above that 200-day moving average, and it broke above my line in the sand of $14.09. If we can't continue higher, my next target is $15.62, but we'll get to that in a second, because I really would appreciate a pullback in the retest of the 9 moving average along with the 200 moving average to continue going higher. As you see right here, the MACD is slightly extended, bringing us to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, I like the way momentum is building. The MACD crossed above that signal line, and right about here, the MACD actually, which is the orange line, test that signal line, the blue line, and bounced off and continued higher. We have the 9 in May crossing above that 21 in May, fairly strong, with price action respecting the 21. And we have this gap up right about here, but we'll just keep it moving and see what we're looking at on Syndax Pharmaceuticals, with my initial price target, which you've seen before. If we can hold above this area, get about that 1562, would be roughly $18. which brings us to the 30-minute time frame. And on the 30-minute time frame, although this here was in the after hours, as we tried to curl down and showed a little bit of weakness, if we lose that non-moving average, which is around that $14.74 area, we will come and retest the 21 moving average. You see right here, we had a touch of that 21 MA back on August 13th, which was just yesterday, as well as we fell below the 21 MA, but we bounced off the 72 MA. So if we do lose that 9 moving average as well as the 21 moving average, this 72 is ideal around that 1348, but let's just go with $13.61. I would love to get a retest of that area and see if we could hold and bounce from that area to continue to go higher. We do have the MACD curling down as well, as if it wants to lose green in the positive territory and start to go red in the positive territory and start to trend down, let the stock breathe a bit, and then continue higher. But that's what I have for you guys on Syndax Pharmaceuticals. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Much love. We out.